everyone, welcome back. I'm sorry I wasn't consistent on my channel because I was not doing well, and now I'm completely fine and I hope to be consistent on my channel from now on. So as you all must already have guessed by the title that today is gonna be mini haul slash unboxing video, and I have these many books to unbox and show to you guys, and I'm really excited about this, and I hope you too are. And just to let you know, I have sanitized them, I have quarantined them properly. There is no safety issues as such. So let's begin. So I'm not going to unbox the very first parcel because I've already opened it and I've started reading. So the book is Untouchable by Mulk Raj Anand. Now, why did I get this book? A, because it was in my syllabus. B, I wanted to read Mulk Raj Anand from a very long time. You know, I am one of those girls who is really fascinated by Indian English literature, and this was probably one of the reasons I wanted to get my hands on this book, and finally I have purchased it, and I'm really looking forward to reading Mulk Raj Anand. And I think to begin with Indian English literature, Mulk Raj Anand is a better option, I would say. The title suggests that the caste system used to be very rigid back then, and the atrocities, the pain, the torture the lower caste people had to go through was extreme, and I think this is gonna be an interesting read. Now let's open our second parcel and see which book does it contain. Oh wow, another Kafka. First of all, just please appreciate this gorgeous cover. I mean, such a beauty. Okay, so I'll tell you what, a year ago or two I reviewed one of the works of Franz Kafka titled The Trial on my channel, and which is a complicated read for sure, because there is some theory and stuff which readers are supposed to know in order to catch the intricacies of his work. So a lot of people were actually telling me in a very surprising tone that how come I've read The Trial by Kafka and not Metamorphosis. So I was like, I must give it a read as well, and this is how I placed my order for this book. And I'm really looking forward to reading this. I have heard that this is one of his finest works. Let's see if I enjoy it or not. And now moving on to my third parcel, and you know, I really enjoy opening these boxes. Like, it's a lot of fun, right? So this is Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea. Guys, I've heard a lot of good things about this piece. I've heard that this was a Pulitzer and a Nobel Prize winner, and now I'm even more tempted to read this. I've heard people talk many good things about this piece, and they say that this book upholds many great lessons which we will discover only if we read this book, of course. So yes, I'm really looking forward. Oh wow, they have also provided a bookmark, and I'm really intrigued to read this book. Let's see if we can discover any lessons or not. Now on to our fourth parcel, guys, and let's open it. Oh my god, I can't even tell you guys that how excited I am to be reading this book. I think I wanted to read this since a very long time. I wanted to read Virginia Woolf, and I placed my order for To the Lighthouse. I have heard that this is critically acclaimed work and is one of the finest pieces of literature. I can't wait to read it. Now let's open our fifth parcel. So it is Aristotle's Poetics. Okay, I do not know anything about this book. I had no intention of placing my order or reading this for that matter, but I had to because this was a part of my undergrad course. Now since I have placed my order for this, I really want to know what this book has to offer. Let's see if it's an easy read or a tough nut to crack. I'll keep you guys updated. And now it's time to open our sixth parcel. So let's do it and see what the next book is. Okay, wow. I mean, I desperately wanted to read Satguru, and this, trust me or not, this was the sole reason I placed my order for this book. Believe me or not, I had no prior knowledge about this book, about Flowers on the Path, but I knew Satguru. I mean, who doesn't know this person? His ideas, thoughts, beliefs resonate with so many people, and rightly so. So I was randomly scrolling through Flipkart, and I came across this book wherein the reviews were extremely positive and good, and I just placed my order without a second thought, and now I cannot wait to read this book. And now on to our last box, so let's unbox this quickly. Okay, so on non-fiction, great. I mean, I ordered this book with a lot of interest because actually I'd heard a lot of good things, good discussions about this already. So I couldn't stop myself from ordering this piece, and also the reviews were quite good on Flipkart, and I had seen many people actually reading this book and raving about it so much that I thought I also should learn something from this book if it actually has something to offer. So without giving a second thought, I placed my order, and let's see if we can actually learn something from this book. And I'm really excited, you guys, I cannot even tell you. And this concludes our book haul, our book unboxing. So this was the last book, and this is not pirated at all. So this time I'm really happy with the Flipkart service, although they did not provide bookmarks except for one, but none of the books were pirated. I'm really happy with this thing this time. So these are the 7 books which I purchased from Flipkart, and this is the only bookmark which they provided. Anyways, I cannot wait to read these books, and also do let me know in the comments down below that out of these 7 books, which one have you read and which one are you planning to read in future. Also, if you liked the video, if you like the contents that I serve you people, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also comment down below, and yes, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll provide the IG handle down here. And yes, until then, be safe, do well, keep connected, and thank you.